Hello friends, today we will show you unboxing of Philips hand blender. This is perfect for making soups, purees and shakes. As you can see, this is for puree, for chopping and shake. This is the hand blender which comes with a 2-year warranty. It has got a double action blade. It's good for blending puree and has a chopper function. This is 250 watt Philips hand blender. Let's unbox it now. Let's unbox. This is the blender. This is the hand blender. This is the puree jar. This is the chopper. This is the instruction manual. So as you can see, the instruction manual shows the various parts. So at the top is the main cord, the push switch, comfort grip, motor unit, detachable bar and protective guard. Now we'll show you this on the hand blender. How to attach the motor unit with the detachable bar. You have to combine the two parts and twist it on the left to lock. This is the blade. For chopping function, you have to twist on the right to be able to chop. Now we will show you a demo of how to start the blender. You attach the motor with the detachable bar, turn on the push switch. As you can see, it's moving. This is the push switch. Once you press, the blade works. Now we will show you a demo of how to blend tomato puree. So you press the push button. Now you see the tomato puree is blended. See, it is very finely pureed now, which we can use for different curries and pastes. You can use the blender for blending fluids and you can use the beaker for this purpose. This is only for blending liquid fluids, mixing soft ingredients like eggs, flour and pureeing cooked ingredients. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe and click like and share this video. Thank you.